13 then.
You see, that day I came, the pressure was high.
Yeah.
But today the pressure is not high today. There was rainy season that time.
Yeah.
It was raining that day. It was raining. So here it's like here overflow. It's come up. Even from here.
I said drift down more time till it stop running and dam go down, you know.
Yes.
I keep water I use hard every day.
Yeah.
And as me say motion side I dig a river, so you see water come from that side all the way like lean.
Yeah.
On that side.
Today it look like
I still up the fish in there. Eating fish in there.
Yeah. I want to say this. One thing about Jamaica is this. Jamaica is full of natural habitats. Anything you can think of relating to natural habitats is all over Jamaica, ranging from flowering plants, seabirds, sea animals, shrubs, streams, springs, rivers, ecosystem, uncountable. It depends what you have in mind to think of about Jamaica, and this makes it unique and make it a special place to visit. If you're around the world, you have been visiting other islands, I bet you need to visit Jamaica and have your own history, have your own say. You know, rivers, streams all over, fishes everywhere. You can see the people fishing over here now. And if you are you know much more about agriculture, fishing businesses, you come in Jamaica here. All these things are natural free gifts. You're gonna eat fish and run away. You're gonna eat green vegetables, shrubs, crops until you get tired. All right, brother. I'm leaving. Yeah. Let me give you. I don't have my card. Okay. To watch my channel?
What channel is it?
Bunch Natural. I don't have my card here. I would have given you my card.
Natural?
Bunch Natural, yeah.
Bunch Natural.
Bunch Natural. BBONCH. I don't have my pen. Yeah. You see that flower again? Okay, this is different.
And the flower that man. Shrub man.
Shrub?
Yeah.
What of the one you call them?
You see him one, a parasite to call them.
Parasite.
Anywhere they see liquid space, they germinate and grow. You see, this thing you see on the ground, you know what it is?
What? Maras.
That thing you see. That is a structure. They build it with, you see the...
We go up on the concrete.
Yeah.
We come along for this.
No, the line you see is pipe.
Oh, the pipe, when it's used to let it out.
Exactly. It's a let out.
Yeah, let out.
Let out when dam overflow.
Water mud block it.
Yeah.
Down here.
It block?
Yeah, it block.
It block already?
Yeah,
maybe sand block it up.
Could have blocked with mud. Right.
Nah, because when I saw it initially, when we were coming.
I think it's running out to one at a time, you know.
But they can still open it. If they want to open it, they can open it.
They're not interested.
When you put a planting machine there.
They're not interested to let you out, you know, because they don't want the water come out. But when sun starts run, it go dry. But it's not dry clean, it can't dry. No, the two rivers we reach young, so it can't now go dry. You see? But no matter go down, no matter how drought and it go down, it's not dry.
Not dry?
No, it's not dry. But that two rivers come down there, you know.
Yeah, I see. It's two rivers.
And it's a constant spring down a long lane. A red girl ring, below red girl ring down the road.
Yeah.
When you're going to Constant Spring, where it's purified. But the one from Mona We come down Garden Town, down so.
Yeah.
We come down a Papi in it, purify over.
So up in the hill now, you say it's part of Bowden Hill.
Yeah, the right.
Up there.
Right, yeah.
So from there now you can go to Newcastle.
Yeah, Newcastle there and
already hill, the other side.
But you go past, you go up to and get Panson Road and go up there.
See, I will buy fishing line.
Yeah.
I will come here. I like to fish.
Yeah.
I'll buy fishing line. Whenever I have time, I'll come this side and fish.
Yeah, man. I'm going to tell them, boy, show net and you can get to buy. You can get fish from them to buy.
From here, the engineers go down.
Eh?
From here, the engineers, if they want to go down, we're going to go down, yeah.
I'll hold on, I'm going to right them.
You see the pipe they put to hold themselves, so they don't slip off. All right. Guys, this is Hermitage Dam. As you can see, don't mind me, I'm covering up my head because there are mosquitoes, you know, ants disturbing me here. This is Hermitage Dam. As you can see, the dam is clean today. The water is clean today. When I was here the first time, the level of this water come up under the beam. Even I cannot see this space, this entrance to look down now. I couldn't see it that day, but today you can see it's open. So the height of the water have drastically gone down, you know, and the dam is clean today. It's completely clean, unlike when I was here the other day. If you are watching Bunchy Natural videos, kindly like, share these videos to your friends and families, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. This is a way to support Bunchy Natural. Thank you. This is Hermitage Dam. Hermitage Dam. I'm coming here for the second time because I realized, I found out that the water here is clean today, you know, and they say that this dam is serving Stony Hill, Constant Spring, Boulevard, Moulin Junction, some areas in Kingston. This Hermitage Dam is to supply these areas water. And the other dam, you get it in Mona treatment plant. That is a dam there. Jamaica water engineers, they are trying. Kudos to them. Kudos to water engineering departments here in Jamaica. You see, when I came here last time, you told me that people that pass through here during late hours, that when they come, they fall inside the drone. You see, when I was looking on, you see here it's open. So if rain fall, this water will rise.
No, it'll go over.
As it rises, it's going over. So if you fall here, your legs slip. If you fall here, it throw you down straight. And you're gonna smash you down there.
No, you can't push over there, so you have to stand up underneath it.
Remember, there will be pressure.
No, it's just strong to push over. When you go under, just stand up.
You look at it, you look
here, you know, thick enough and powerful to push over.
To push you over?
No.
But here is deep.
Yeah, man, it's deep like how down the man. You see down the man?
Oh, here deep like here?
Deep, man.
Not
everywhere, but down out there.
Really? So here deep like this side too?
Look here. Like how you see down at all? It's deep like all down at all over there.
Okay, the intentional dig it so that it contain reasonable amount of water. They dig it.
No. Not digging.
Nobody dig
Listen me. The two river come down from creation.
Yeah.
And when it dry go down.
Yeah.
You see a whole heap of tree root.
Okay.
When them kill
the
bar, make this barrier here.
Okay.
The two river meet here so and then barrier up the back height and make this wall so. Then bring the mall from over so. You listen me?
Yeah.
Then bring the mall from over sea view where the mall Tony land there.
Yeah.
Bring the mall pan tram car in them days. The tram car run pan line bring here. Because them time in a me black truck. 1927.
1927?
I in a young 20. Wow.
So the other water is coming from, I can see it's opening.
No, that's all. That stream I come from this. So we are going that way there. We are going. It a come from behind the mountain.
On the mountain.
And come down.
So up in this mountain now, is it Newcastle?
No, man. I say.
What's the community?
Bowden the same way.
Bowden the same way?
Yeah, over the parents them live and then take away land and push we over so and make the dam down so. Yeah. The place create a creation, make it, you know. Okay. And nature and no man do nothing to it.
Okay.
You hear me say the two will reach at one and you back up so.
Okay, yeah.
And it full. It's full. Because if you make it higher, it'll full and deeper. Come on.
Alright.
I full paint them barn and go behind you in the mountain up there, you know. So them call it top board now. Top board.
Top board now.
Top board now.
Alright.
So now that the commission take it and push you over so I still board now.
Okay.
I full replace.
Well, that step there, what is it for? People who use that step to come into the river?
That's it.
The dam? Yeah. Yeah.
Now we go down in the water when it's dry. If you're there a boat and I use boat, you come out there so.
But people that use the boat, they're the water engineers, government people.
No, government used to have boats where they take clean the dam.
So people come here, okay.
No. So
where did boat come from? There's no entrance.
We used to have a boat here.
Before?
Here. Yeah.
Oh.
If you use rock on the water, coming from what with lumber, wood, right there you come take off it.
Oh.
Understand?
All right. Because I saw that step, I said, why? What is this step doing here? Because you say the water here, the dam is deep. Yeah. So anybody swimming it, is risking his life.
Yeah, you're risking your life. You're not for swimming there.
Yeah, see, because
so if you drown,
it's not meant for swimming. You can't swim it even.
We do it with trespassing.
This leaf is, now you know the name?
Then call it.
It look lively.
We call it bell flowers.
Bell flowers?
Yeah, it bloom and yellow flowers. But sweet young, you know, bloom right now.
Wow.
Remember, I go back here,
yeah. So this house, what is this house for? Security house? All right, let me capture the name once again. Hermitage Dam. No swimming allowed. Hermitage Dam. You see the logo, water logo. And this is monument. This stone was laid on the completion of this dam by His Excellency, the Governor, Sir Reginald Edward Stubbs, KCMG, this 4th day of May 1927. Wow. It's all right. 1927, man. Let me stage down. Yo, I'm coming.
You catch fish, you go down in them little valley there and throw line.
Okay. The fishermen come here and throw line, right? To catch fish.
Yeah, man. No go down there.
Oh. The river is closed.
No go down there. Come.
It's clean today.
Eh?
It's clean.
Where is it?
The water is clean today.
Yes, man.
Than the other day I came.
Now go do it if you know, because you now go have no hard rain now. No, they don't really find hard rain for all them time now to do it again. Rain that Portland do, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, St. Mary.
So this part now is part of Bowden Hill too.
Yeah, man.
Bowden Hill is big, you know. So no croc in this area. Crocodile.
What?
No crocodile here.
Croc?
Yeah.
Oh man, them exist at them places, man.
So why they don't have croc here? But they say croc is all over Jamaica.
No, all over Jamaica. So they're St. Catherine, mostly St. Catherine and Clarendon in some low line, seaside place.
Oh.
But him not around us. Unless somebody bring him here, and as him come, somebody has to see him and take him out. So we have to report him and come to him. Yeah. The boy will kill him too.
Okay.
We're not going to the bush now. No.
Okay, the road stop here.
No, then go on and go fishing around.
Okay, go fishing. Oh, okay.
So I'm going to come over.
No, we are going back. Let's go back.
Yeah, we're not going on the bush.
We're not going in a bush. I'm going back. Let me go and fly a little drone
go on,
to see the up. Because
I just go back on so go do it.
Yeah, the water is clean.
Up on the bridge, go do that. You know?
Yeah, the water is clean today.
You know, clean. Yeah, so then come and throw line over there.
The throw line, yeah. Wow.
At the extent I dam come on, I see I want you thinking. No water. And if they clean it, hold it more water. But they don't want to clean it. They claim that the concrete are going to burst.
Yeah.
But it's not burst. Burst away.